Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to the fourth video of Let Me Excel basic series. So far we have uploaded 5 videos and the first 2 are of intermediate level as you can see from here. So let us begin. In the last video we discussed about number formatting like general, number, currency, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction and the text. Today we are going to discuss how we can insert or delete the various objects like cells, rows, columns and sheets to a worksheet or from the worksheet. So let us begin. For that I have made one spreadsheet ready where I have listed counter, the serial number and the action like inserting or deleting of these rows and columns and cells. How you can do through ribbon or with right click of mouse, and if there is any keyboard shortcut that also I will be discussing here. Now if I want to insert cell here, how can I do? I can simply go to home. Towards the right side of your home ribbon you have something called insert. If you click on that drop down you get insert cells. Okay, if I click I get this dialog box. By default down is selected, so I'll simply click OK. So a new cell is inserted here and our data went down, one row down. I'll undo this. And from ribbon, as you saw, you can do from home insert cells. Okay, so I have written here the description. And if there is any shortcut method, when I say shortcut, it is right click of mouse. Okay, so right click, insert, and I'll get the same dialog box which I had got earlier. I'm pressing Ctrl plus Z or Z to undo the action, and the shortcut method is right click. I'll double click here to auto fit. Now, is there any shortcut key? Can you do this action with keyboard combination? Okay, let us try. Okay, as far as I know, the shortcut key is Control plus. Control and plus key. The same dialog box comes. If I press OK, our data moves down. That means one new cell is inserted here. And you can select multiple cells and do at once also. Control plus, cell down, OK. So the keyboard shortcut is Control plus. Next is insert rows. So how can you insert rows? Again you have to go to insert sheet rows. Okay, so this is how it inserted. Okay, I'll undo it. Is there a sorter method? Yes, it is. Let's just right click and insert, and the same dialog box comes. So all I have to choose is entire row. One row is inserted here. I'll undo it. Is there a keyboard shortcut? Yes, it is. Again, you can press Ctrl plus and choose entire row and enter. Another shortcut is also there. That is, before pressing Ctrl plus, press Shift plus space and press Ctrl plus. So that this is very easy. I'll undo it. Next is insert columns. So for inserting columns, you can go to home, insert sheet columns. Column C is inserted. And what shorter method? It's right click, insert entire column. Just keep OK. Entire column is inserted here. I'll undo it, and the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus and choose entire column, or before pressing Ctrl plus, press Ctrl plus space. Earlier for selecting entire row we selected Shift plus space. Now we are using Ctrl plus space. It selects entire column. Now I can press Ctrl plus. So this is the easiest method. I'll press Ctrl Z. So this way you can insert cells, rows and columns. Let us move to insert sheets. Go to here, insert, then the last option. Sheet 2 is added. Is there a sorter method? Yes, it is there. You have to click on this plus icon, or you can use right click on the sheet itself and insert, and you get variety of options, and you have to choose this worksheet. Let me go to original sheet. So the sorter method is clicking, and the keyboard shortcut is Shift plus function key 11. So this is all about inserting cells, rows, columns and sheets. Let's go to deleting. Okay, so for deleting, under home tab itself, just next to insert you have delete options, so you can select delete cells. Okay, it will ask how many. Same way how it had asked for inserting, it is asking for deleting also. So you can choose either cells left or cells up. If I select this delete cells, and if I choose this option delete cells, by default it's Shift cells up is selected. I'll give OK. The delete cells is gone now. I'll undo it, and the shortcut key is Control minus. Okay, when I press Control minus, it shows me all these options. From here I can choose whichever I want, whether it is deleting cells or rows or columns. So whichever is needed, I can choose from here. Shortcut is control minus. So for delete rows, same method. All I have to do is go here, delete rows. Shorter method is right click and the delete. Just below insert, there is delete option, and you get the same dialog box. From here you can choose whichever suits you. Is there a shortcut method? Keyboard shortcut? Yes, it is there. Control minus, and you can either choose from here, or you can press control plus shift plus space bar and control minus. So when you press shift plus space bar, entire row gets selected, and when you press control minus, that particular row or number of rows get deleted. So next is delete columns. So for delete column also same, you can go to delete and delete sheet columns. Okay, so it is gone now. So let me undo it. Shorter method, again same, right click, delete, and I have to choose entire column. If I do, see, it's gone now. So I'll press Ctrl Z or Z to get it back. Keyboard shortcut, yes, keyboard shortcut is also there. It is Control minus, again same keyboard, and you can choose from here either OK or enter, and that is gone. So you can use that way, or my favorite is selecting entire column, which is Control plus space and pressing Control without leaving Control. I'll press minus key. It's gone. So it saves a lot of time. Deleting sheets, you can go to delete sheet. Okay, that is one. It will, so whenever you delete, it confirms whether you want to delete or not, and this is permanent. You cannot undo it. You cannot get it back by Control Z. Okay, so you have to be careful, and if there is only one sheet, you cannot delete. Say for example, I'll delete all other sheets, show you, and it will confirm only when you have some data. If you have used that sheet earlier, it will ask you, okay, I inserted one blank one, nothing is there. If I want to delete this, it doesn't confirm, it just deletes because nothing is there. You are not going to lose anything. So Excel knows that you are not going to lose anything, so it never confirms. I have only one sheet here, and if I want to delete, it will not allow me. So delete sheets is again same. Shorter method is right clicking and deleting. Right clicking on sheet tab. We use shift plus F11 to insert the tab, but there is no shortcut as such, so you have to use the keyboard shortcut to delete a worksheet is Alt EL. Okay, so this is the shortcut. This much for inserting and deleting of cells, rows, columns and sheets. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing so that we get motivated to provide you good content. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.